Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we are shifting gears from two wheels to four and diving into one of the most exciting revivals in the automotive world, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Toyota has brought back this legendary off-roader with a perfect balance of retro design and modern performance. Let's take a closer look. Classic styling meets modern engineering. The 2025 Land Cruiser FJ40 pays tribute to the original's rugged charm while incorporating modern enhancements. It retains the boxy, utilitarian shape, round LED headlights, and a bold front grille that proudly displays the Toyota name. With a sturdy steel frame, skid plates, and high ground clearance, this new FJ40 is built to handle anything from rocky trails to muddy paths. Powerful and efficient performance. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped the new FJ40 with a turbocharged 2.4L hybrid powertrain, delivering both power and fuel efficiency. Paired with Toyota's advanced AWD system, this off-roader can tackle the toughest terrains while keeping emissions in check. A 6-speed automatic or available manual transmission ensures an engaging driving experience for both off-road enthusiasts and daily commuters. Built for adventure. The 2025 FJ40 isn't just about nostalgia, it's engineered for serious off-roading. It features locking differentials, an upgraded suspension system, and Toyota's crawl control for effortless low-speed maneuvering on rough terrain. Whether you're climbing steep inclines or crossing rivers, this Land Cruiser is ready for the challenge. Interior rugged yet refined. Inside, the FJ40 strikes a balance between durability and comfort. The cabin features water-resistant upholstery, easy-to-clean surfaces, and a digital instrument cluster that blends modern tech with a vintage aesthetic. The 10-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures connectivity, while a premium JBL sound system enhances long road trips. Safety and technology. Toyota has packed the new FJ40 with its latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera to help navigate tricky terrain. With an optional roof-mounted solar panel, you can even power small accessories during your off-road adventures. Final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a dream come true for off-road enthusiasts and classic SUV lovers alike. With its timeless design, advanced technology, and unbeatable capability, it stands as one of the most exciting reboots in recent years. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through the city, the FJ40 is ready to take you there. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to subscribe to Bike Buzz for more automotive insights and reviews. Stay adventurous and we'll see you in the next one.